Where y'all headed?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Are y'all from Indianapolis?
I originally grew up in Fort Wayne.
Okay, yeah, we live in Indy. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
We live in Michigan now, but
Okay.
we're moving out here.
Oh, nice. It's pretty out here. That's all.
Yeah. Now I took a career position at work, so we're actually moving. Left Michigan Friday morning. No, we'll get to go.
Yeah, he just kept moving. Full speed ahead.
Lily, come on. Lily, ko ano mga. Go. Carmela. Ha? Kaya tuloy na sa school. Bigyan ng pinagbibig. Come on, dali. May isang babiksan ko kayo. Oh my God. Come na nga po. Dali. Come na. Come on. Hurry up. So are we going to last tomorrow? Lots of water. Sabi ko, dapat sa smile. Wala ba tayong madadaan? They're racing. Are they both perfect? Both perfect, right?
Yeah, no,
Ay, di ba Mare, saka na. Ayun ang welcome to Colorado. Go?
Yeah, let's go drink some water.
Yeah, very hot.
Element word mark.
World map.
Let's go! I want down! Yay! Wow! Ooh la la! Ooh la la!
Saan?
I
Sa
want.
entrance to.
I like this hotel.
Yun ang entrance.
I
Check
want
in eh.
this red hotel. Wait!
Hindi na garahe ito eh.
Same hotel.
Your destination is on the left.
Ha? Paikot?
Where
Ganda
is
ng
it?
background,
Brown and
no?
red. I said that. Right?
Hindi natin madadaanan yung magandang harap.
Oh, di balik.
May paikot lang yun eh. Ayun o, ikutin mo na. Ayun o.
Papa, you stink. Dada, you stink.
Saan ba? Hindi dyan. Paano ka pinag-
Papa,
Nalinig daw tayo.
you stink.
Ayun Ayan, may playground dyan na, oh.
Ooh la la.
Ulala. Mat, salamat.
Ibubok mo yung 5 days na ano, 3,000.
Ayan ang pulo.
Yun yung pulo.
So, day 7. Day 7. Wagon. Kasya ba tayo? Are you sure? Usod.
Nandun po.
Nandun po.
Anong sinabi pa, second floor?
Second floor.
Ngayon ko dito.
Uy, meron ding yellow dyan.
Oo nga.
Ano yelo?
May ice vending machines
Nakita
sila.
ko meron
Dito, second floor, hanapin mo.
nakasulat.
Ano gawin sa ice?
Abay, pag inumin natin. Tingnan mo, 3
3 to-
1.5.
Oh, dito.
3 to 1.5.
Dun. Diyan. 3, 2, 1, 2. O, diyan. 3, 2, 1, 2 dyan.
Ito na, 3 to 1.3.
Sa kabila. Go.
Ako muna, Kine.
Condo. Condo.
It's not a condo. Program nila condo.
Condominium. Dilid.
Sa kabila hotel na daw yung
This is our house?
yeah.
Come
It's
on.
kind of empty. It's empty in here.
Oh, walk.
Magbibideo ako mamaya ha, may pakiayos ang parto, mag-room tour.
Huwag muna natin
Can I change my slippers?
muna sa tabi. Kailan?
Can I change my slippers?
Mami, ito yung room niya, ito yung double, oh.
Yeah.
Ito yung...
I'm sleeping with mom.
Yeah, mami, kayo,
Ayun mo yun ha.
sa amin yung Georgiana.
Tabi kami nila.
Dito kayo, dalawang double to. 2 bedrooms.
2 bedroom. Sabi niyo naman dito.
Wait lang, ayusin ko lang. Buksan natin mga curtain. Kulang na, di ba?
Oh, may balcony nga. No smoking. Aray ko! Na-fake ako dun. RB.
Oh my gosh, Jenna!
RB parking pala itong likod.
Kuya, don't touch it! Don't touch it!
I know I should leave, 'cause you're driving me mad. You burn like a fire. I'm so goddamn naive. I keep coming back, 'cause you're taking me higher. Higher than I've ever been before. Then you let me down again, close the door. I know I should leave, 'cause you're driving me mad. You burn like a fire. Now you're calling again, sugarcoat everything, but it doesn't make it sweeter. We wake up in my bed, I forget what you did, but it doesn't make things easier. You're with my head again. I believe in every word you say, baby. Now you're calling again, sugarcoat everything, but the truth still tastes as bitter. I know I'm a fool, here we go again. I think I might lose it. I try playing it cool, but you have your ways. You know what you do. I'm higher than I've ever been before. Then you let me down again, close the door. Yeah, I'm such
Sumukash. Hindi ka, sukash na yun. Tanong mo kung kasama na pati yung sa arches.
Ba, hindi ko alam.
Hindi, tanongin natin.
Yun o. Eh, pala yung nasa anong tubig. O, yun.
Yung parang paa niya, gano'n. Ewan ko. Kasi siguro may horseshoe bend na dun sa Arizona. Di naghanap sila ng ibang name. Dead Horse Point.
Picnic area. Mayroon mag picnic dyan. Yun o. Nakaupo sa bato o. Nag-aabang sila ng ano, sunset. Ito na ba?
Parang ito na siguro. May lakaran dyan eh.
Parang mga tayo, kasama ka ganyan magmurahin nila.
Tanong mo ko, ito na nga.
That took time.
So, nandito na kami sa aming accommodation. Nakabalik na kami. So, nakapasyal na kami sa unang pasyalan namin. So, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo dito sa spot na to. So, yung accommodation merong barbecue. Pwede ka mag-barbecue dito para sa lahat. Ito kasi yun, parang combo type. Pero mayroon siyang chicken dito. Ito is parang pwede ka dito mag-bonfire. Mainit ba ito sa? Ayan, at